Hi guys, so just to show you, yeah, really can't really get out of these fuckers, yeah, so I'm gonna show you how to get out of them. Okay, what you want to do first is untie your shoelace. Okay, now you want to find a way to put this in there like so. It might take a bit of time, but take your time, and once you get it through there, fetch it with your teeth like that, okay, and get your other shoe, untie it as well, okay, like so. You got two, okay? Now you're gonna make a knot between them two, right? Double it guys and girls. This is the type of shit that can save your life, okay? Right, now that you got it tied from both sides, okay, you're gonna do a cycling motion, alright? And you're free, okay? All it costs you is a pair of lace, but you're still alive and you're free. That's one way of breaking them, and I'll show you another one next time.